This video will guide you through replacing the key fob battery for 2009-2014 Hyundai Genesis models, including the 2.0T, 3.8, 4.6, and 5.0 sedans and coupes. Replacing the battery yourself is a simple way to fix issues like unresponsive buttons or weak signals. You'll save time and money compared to going to a dealership. A new CR2032 battery and a small tool are all you need. How do you know if your Hyundai Genesis key fob battery needs replacing? Common signs include dimmed LED indicator lights on the fob, delayed or inconsistent responses when pressing buttons like lock, unlock, trunk release, or panic, and a significantly reduced operating range. If you experience any of these, it's time to swap the battery. Batteries typically last 1 to 3 years under normal use. You'll need just a few items for this quick repair. First, acquire a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. These are widely available at auto parts stores like AutoZone, drugstores, and online retailers. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver or a thin prying tool. A coin can also work carefully. Make sure the new battery is mercury-free. First, locate the small notch or seam on the back of the key fob. Second, gently insert the flathead screwdriver or prying tool into the notch and carefully pry open the key fob case. Third, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting its orientation with the positive side up. Fourth, insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Fifth, snap the key fob case back together securely. Ensure the case is fully closed to protect the internal components. Before you start, touch a metal object to ground yourself and prevent static electricity from damaging the fob's circuit board. When prying open the case, be gentle to avoid breaking the plastic. Make sure the new battery is correctly oriented, plus side up for proper function. Double-check that the case is completely snapped shut to protect against moisture and dust. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, first ensure the battery is correctly installed and the case is fully closed. Try cleaning the battery contacts inside the fob with a cotton swab. If problems persist, the issue may be with the fob itself or the car's receiver. In rare cases, aftermarket batteries can cause connectivity problems. Consider using an OEM spec battery. While generic CR2032 batteries are readily available, using a genuine Hyundai or reputable brand battery ensures optimal performance and longevity. The CR2032 lithium coin cell battery powers the key fob's radio frequency transmitter. Genuine batteries maintain consistent 3-volt output for reliable operation. Some aftermarket batteries may have inconsistent voltage or shorter lifespans, causing intermittent issues with the key fob's functions. Hyundai's warranty data shows that key fob repairs are among the most common low-cost services, with genuine OEM batteries costing between $8 and $12. Battery replacement remains relevant for 2009 to 2014 Genesis models. Traditional key fobs use physical batteries that need replacement every 1 to 2 years. Key fob technology is evolving. Newer Hyundai models use digital keys via smartphone apps, eliminating the need for physical keys and batteries. Future systems may include cloud-based controls, smartphone integration, and battery-free options using energy harvesting technology. While traditional key fobs may eventually phase out, battery replacement will continue to be a practical solution for older vehicles for years to come.